Do you know which is the first thing a client looks at when he's considering to buy your product? The packaging, obviously. Packaging is everything, no matter if you're selling digital or physical products. But when it comes to selling digital products, you know that your packaging, that means your e-cover, has to be top-notch. You want to be able to grab the attention of your potential clients in order to move forward and convert them. Now, creating a great e-cover can be a tedious and costly task. You have to either spend a lot of time with your graphic designer or outsource it for a lot of money in many cases. This is a big problem for many online marketers and entrepreneurs, as they're either losing time or money to create e-covers. And you want none of that to happen to you. Just have a look at the prices charged for e-covers on freelancing platforms. You want to have an efficient and fast solution for every time you need an e-cover. And that's what we wanted for ourselves too. And that's why we've created the Super E-Covers Pack, a collection of over 100 e-covers in different niches that you can easily customize and edit in both PSD and PPT formats. Take a look at some of the different e-cover templates from the collection. An e-cover like this can cost you anywhere between $30 and $100 on any of the major freelancing websites. Now, for the first time, we released to the public our Super E-Covers Pack at a special discounted price. Basically, you'll get access to over 100 professional e-cover templates that you can edit and customize as you wish for only 27 cents per e-cover. That's at least 30 times less than you would normally pay for an e-cover. And that's not all. You also get PLR rights for these e-cover templates. That means that you can use these e-covers not only for yourself, but also for your clients. You can sell them to your clients and use them in their projects and charge for them. Basically, you can start to make money with them. Just look at how much money these guys are making by selling e-covers on Fiverr. Just think about it. Less than 25% of people buying their services are leaving reviews. And the guy selling an e-cover at 25 bucks has over 950 reviews. You do the math. As you can already see, the Super E-Covers Pack is a deal you don't want to miss. We're keeping this special offer live only a few more hours, and then we're going to take it down for good. So hurry up and grab the Super E-Covers Pack right now till the price goes up. And if you're still not sure about it, don't worry. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for the Super E-Covers Pack. So don't waste any more time. Get the Super E-Covers Pack right now.